In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to distribute objects in Inkscape. If you've ever lined up a row of icons, buttons, or pieces of text and struggled to make the spacing look even, this walkthrough is for you. Distributing objects makes layouts cleaner and more professional, and Inkscape gives you precise tools to do it quickly. Start by launching Inkscape on your desktop. Once it's open, either create a new document or open an existing one you want to refine. If your project includes text that you plan to space out, click to select that text so it's ready to be included. Text objects distribute just like shapes, so you don't need to do anything special at this stage. Next, select all the objects you want to space out. You can hold Shift and click each one or drag a selection box around them to grab multiple at once. Make sure you've only selected the items you actually want to move. Distribution works on whatever is selected. Now, head to the Object menu at the top and open the Align and Distribute panel. This panel is where all the spacing magic happens, and it usually docks on the right side of your screen. Within this panel, look for the Distribute section. It's the second row of icons, separate from the basic alignment options above it. These controls determine how the selected objects are spaced relative to one another. Let's go over the three key options you'll use most. Distribute centers horizontally. Spaces objects so their centers are equal distances apart. This is great when your items are different widths, because it balances from the middle of each object and keeps the overall rhythm consistent. Distribute left edges aligns spacing based on the left side of each object. Use this when you care about consistent starting points along the left edge. Keep in mind that if your objects vary in size, the visible gaps may look different because the alignment is pegged to the left boundaries. Distribute gaps horizontally is the go-to when you want the empty space between objects to be exactly the same. It evens out the visual breathing room from one item to the next. If you see unexpected results, check that there's enough room between the outermost objects. When space is tight, objects may bunch up. Remember, you can always use undo if something doesn't look right and try a different distribution option. That's all you need. Launch Inkscape, open your file, select your text and shapes, open Align and Distribute, and choose the distribution that matches your layout goal. With a few clicks, your spacing will look clean, consistent, and intentional.